Hiya, it's Dave from Camperite, and in this little video we're going to talk about a brand new product called the Coleman Snap and Go Folding Cool Box. We've always been great fans of Coleman cool boxes. You can see with the Convoys behind us and the Extremes, we've got the Pros who will do the whole range of Coleman cool boxes. So when they brought this new one out, we had to run it, of course. Snap and Go. The clever thing is space saving. Quite often you take cool box and you don't actually buy the food till you get to the campsite, but cool boxes take up loads of space in the car. Coleman have patented a great idea. Handles on the side, you lift it up, takes the shape, pop the lid. Inside is a liner, which I'll show you in a second, and you just literally tap the two sides. That's locked in and it's a solid cooler. They're available in 35 quarts, which is about 33 litres, 45 quarts and 55 quart sizes. To fold it down, all you do is lift out the liner, take it to one side, do that, and there's a strap at the bottom which you pull up, clear, and the whole box collapses down. Put the liner on top, close it up, and ready to go from Snap and Go. Just now show you on the inside. When you open the lid up here, what you've got is this is the liner. Okay, this is all a near-prim liner. You lift up the box, and the liner drops down. You then basically snap the two sides in, and that's ready to use. Close it and off you go. When you've finished using the box and you want to save space in the car going home because you've drunk all the beer and eaten all the food, all you do is lift out the liner. That folds down neatly, put it to one side. At the bottom is a strap. You lift up the strap and the box collapses neatly down. Put the strap across the top, liner on top, lid clicks in, handles click in, and it's ready to go. So that's the Coleman Snap and Go cool boxes, available from us online at Camperite and of course in our Marks Tay shop. Thanks very much for watching. Bye now.